Hello traders, and I hope you're doing well. Today I'm with you with another video about major currencies in Forex market. So let's get started. The first, as you can see on the screen or the slide of PowerPoint, it is called the US dollar. It is the most important currency in Forex market. All right, we say it dominates the world foreign exchange market, heavily and strongly. US dollar is the base, or we could say a universal currency to evaluate any other currency traded on Forex. And almost all currencies are generally quoted, in US dollar terms. So the US dollar currently represent about 86%, or let me tell you better, it's more than 80%, okay? I'm not sure about 86 these days because it was for, month ago, but more than 80% of all foreign exchange market transactions. So most of the commodities like metals, oil, etc., they're traded with prices, dominated in US dollars. For example, if they want to give you the price of oil, crude oil, gold, and the others, everything is set and everything is traded with the price of US dollar. So we could say it is the most important currency in Forex market. The second one, as you can see, is euro. Euro is the second dominating currency. It's like US dollar has a strong international acceptance, but it's not that much powerful like US dollars, So the euro is used by 18 member countries of European Union, and that's why it is very important. And it is currently accounted for almost 37% of the Forex transactions. The main factors that sometimes, influence on this acceptance, on the acceptance I told you, are often based on well established, economies like developed countries in Europe, such as France, Germany, and the third one, which is very popular, especially in Asian market, is the Japanese yen. All right, it is very important, and it is the third popular, currency in the stock market and in Forex market especially. Since the Japanese economy is mostly an industrial export economy, the Japanese currency is, very common and very important among traders in Forex. So it is the third, popular one. And the fourth one, as you can see, is the British pound. So the British pound is the UK or the United Kingdom's currency. Until the end of World War II, the pound continued to have the same dominance in Forex market, what is US dollar today, and was the currency of reference. But those days, but everything has changed after, those days, and these days we can see this is the fourth, popular currency in the world. And it has some reasons, as I told you, that about the importance, since London is considered one of the hubs for Forex and globally for all stock markets. So 34% of all Forex transactions pass through London City. So we can say this is very important anyway. And next one is the Swiss franc. Swiss is not that much, big, and they don't have that much, big economy. It is small, though. The currency is very important, because we have important banks and institutions in Swiss. So it is important, and as you can see, they show it with CHF code. The CHF price depends on the central bank policy, And as I told you, the strength and quality of the Swiss economy and the finance, they have made this currency very valuable and popular in the world. And the last one we're going to talk about is the Canadian dollar. So CAD is the code that you can find it in Forex market, and CAD is a commodity derivative currency. What does it mean? It means that since the Canadian economy is export oriented, and the main product of exports is crude oil, so this has made this currency very powerful and popular among traders. Therefore, the Canadian dollar prices are influenced by the price of crude oil and sometimes gold. Anyway, these were most popular currencies in the world. You should know because you are gonna be faced with them, and you should know the code and why they are important and everything like this, as I explained. All right, traders, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you see the next one, which I'm going to explain about the other things, and wish you very nice day. Bye for now.